socks. That's a pretty detailed invoice, all ready to go with lots of blurby stuff in there that might need to be in there. And that's it. The invoice is done. Oh, up tonight. So you just add in the rest of the details of the invoices. Just off. So we add in the rest of the information for the invoice. Why won't you off the contact So we simply add the rest of the information into the invoice, the customer, the due date, and then approve, and it's ready to go. Oh, you head! Fuck's sake! I'm so sorry, Andy. So we add in the rest of the information needed for the invoice, and then we click approve, and it's ready to go. And why are you such a bastard? God, sake, you prick. Shit sticks. So we add the rest of the information needed for the invoice, and then it's ready to be sent to the customer. And it's done in seconds. Now that's products and services on Xero. The next video coming your way is how to chase money owed. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, do us a massive favor and hit the like button or subscribe to our channel to see future videos. Oh, thank fuck for that.